You've heard it a million times, make money while you sleep. But what if I told you, while you're sleeping, your so-called passive income might actually be bleeding you dry? Yeah, we're talking about the dark side of passive income. Stick around, because today, we're uncovering what the gurus don't want you to know, the truth behind those effortless money streams. And I'll ask you one simple question up front. Type real freedom in the comments if you want the first one. Let's see how many people are done with the lies, and please remember to hit the like button. You've heard it a million times, make money while you sleep. But what if I told you, while you're sleeping, your so-called passive income might actually be bleeding you dry? Yeah, we're talking about the dark side of passive income. Stick around, because today, we're uncovering what the gurus don't want you to know, the truth behind those effortless money streams. And I'll ask you one simple question up front. Would you rather work for 5 years and earn freedom, or chase fake freedom for 5 years and end up broke? Type real freedom in the comments if you want the first one. Let's see how many people are done with the lies. Here's the biggest scam in online finance culture. Everyone's selling you freedom, but nobody's telling you the cost. You've seen it, the guy on a yacht, laptop in hand, claiming he made $20,000 this month from passive income. What you don't see? The debt, the burnout, or the fact that his passive system took years to build and still needs daily maintenance. Let's get real, there is no such thing as 100% passive income. Even Warren Buffett works. Even landlords deal with broken toilets. Even YouTubers, like me, spend hours scripting, editing, uploading. So next time someone says, I make money in my sleep, ask them, how many sleepless nights did it take to get there? Passive income sounds sexy, until you realize what it actually costs you. Let's break down the 3 hidden costs nobody talks about. Number 1, time cost. Everyone wants to skip to the part where the money rolls in, but before that, you'll spend months, even years, building systems. If you've ever started a YouTube channel, blog, or Airbnb, you know what I mean. Drop it in the comments if your passive idea ended up being a full-time job. Number 2, money cost, real estate, stocks, online businesses. They all need capital. If you're starting from zero, your first 2 to 3 years aren't income, they're investment recovery. Number 3, mental cost. You might not be clocking in at a job, but you're still working in your head. Thinking about performance, views, analytics, tenants, customers. You can't turn off your brain, and that's not freedom. That's financial anxiety in disguise. Be honest, what's one passive idea you've tried that became a full-blown stress factory? Comment below, I want to feature the best stories in the next video. Now, here's where it gets darker. Ever notice how the people selling passive income are the ones who make money from telling you how to make passive income? Yeah, that's the loop. They say, start this business for $0, make 10K a month, but then, surprise, you have to buy their course, join their mentorship, or subscribe to their exclusive system. Their passive income? Your desperation. Let's play a quick game. Next time you see a passive income ad, ask, if this method works so well, why are they teaching it instead of using it? Spoiler, because you are the income stream. Show flashy B-roll, sports cars, rented mansions, luxury lifestyles, then zoom out to reveal ad agency fees, credit card debt, and affiliate commissions. Alright, enough negativity. Let's talk about what real passive income actually looks like. Here's the truth, real passive income isn't easy, but it is possible if you understand leverage and systems. Let me show you a few legit examples. Dividend investing. Real businesses pay you while you do nothing, after years of smart investing. Index funds. The most boring but proven wealth builder ever. You buy, you hold, you don't panic. REITs. Real estate investment trusts. Real estate exposure without tenants calling you at 3 a.m. Digital products. Ebooks, templates, or apps that sell while you sleep, after you've done the hard work of marketing and testing. But here's the twist. All of them have upfront pain before long-term gain. So ask yourself, are you willing to work hard once so you can rest later? Or do you want to chase shortcuts forever? Type, work now, rest later, in the chat if you're in the first group. Let's see who's serious about financial freedom, not fantasy freedom. The truth is, passive income is just active income in slow motion. You put in effort up front, then you slowly earn it back over time. That's why the wealthy don't chase trends, they build systems. They own machines that make money whether they're there or not. You don't need 10 income streams. You need one that's strong, consistent, and scalable. Because when you understand your system, you control your freedom. When you don't, your passive dream controls you. So here's my challenge to you. Think about your current income streams. Are they systems, or are they stressors? Comment system if you've got one, or work in progress if you're building it. I'll reply to a few and share tips. So yeah, passive income can change your life, but only if you understand the game. Don't fall for the fantasy of money without effort. Instead, build something real, something that pays you because of who you've become, not because of what someone sold you. If you learned something today, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone chasing passive income myths. And before you go, tell me in the comments, what's your biggest money goal for 2025? Let's make this channel your blueprint for financial truth, not financial fantasy. This is Stacked Pockets, helping you invest smarter, think deeper, and build real wealth, the kind that doesn't vanish overnight. See you in the next one. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao.